Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to recharge Crunchyroll. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll application on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the home section, you're gonna find some suggested animes. If you go to my list, you're gonna find all of your saved episodes. So right here, you're gonna find two lists, your watch list and your Crunchy list. You can also see your history, and there is also the offline list if you have a premium subscription. If you go to browse, you're gonna find the list that includes all of the animes. You can also browse by anime genre and so on. If you go to simulcasts, right here, you're gonna find some simulcast season animes. And lastly, when you go to account, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your Crunchyroll account. So basically, guys, in order to recharge your Crunchyroll subscription, there is two ways. The first way is by clicking on membership plan and then get premium access from here. With the premium access, you're gonna get unlimited anime, no ads, and new episodes shortly after airing in Japan. Go ahead and click on Go Premium. And then all you need to do, guys, is choose your subscription from here and then click on Salt Subscription. The second way is by going back and then click on Redeem Promo Code if you have any Crunchyroll code. Once you click on Redeem Promo Code, they're gonna take you to Play Store, and all you need to do, guys, is type it right here and then click on Redeem. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.